of the day.
You got this.
We are here at the park. There's the McIntyres. There are the Asians.
Yeah.
And I think we're gonna start heading up this way, up the incline, slowly but surely.
All of the water you have, then to ration your water, which is why I drank all of mine.
Yes. All he's doing.
We're hoping that this trail will lead us to the top.
This is how we get lost.
Yeah.
Nice up there.
He does. I gotta jump there.
Bud, you good?
Okay, so there's like a cave down here. I don't know what you describe this as. Seems pretty cool. There's no critters in here. Goes deeper. Pretty neat.
Kind of weird how close our birthdays are. Like, this is January 3rd, mine's January 8th.
Nice. Across the tree, and you see that little crevice going up? That's where we're heading.
All right.
That rock. Broke a little bit. Not. Only because you're. Well, I mean, like, it's a good way. He's just gonna have to climb those rocks.
He's gonna have to get out those rocks and trees anyway, so.
It's not too much faster, so. But it's safer than the tree. So.
Oh.
Careful.
So are we, which way?
Up the rock.
We're going up that way?
That crevice right there.
Okay.
Not that crevice, go straight.
Go straight?
Yeah. It's gonna be a quite scramble.
Riley. Hello, Riley.
Oh my god, you have to use this tree?
Yeah. SIGFREED initiative, man. This is not only the rock sector.
Tree is stable so far.
Honestly, I think
Last words of someone who stood on a tree.
You have to get, so we're getting on top of that rock and then going up that little like crevice part.
How are you gonna get up there?
We're gonna do it.
That tree? The one going, that's not stable.
What? Keep going.
You have to get familiar with the shite. I like the route out there. I don't know, it didn't have enough risk for me. I think the fun factor was higher though, because there's more rocks.
Well, you
More
gotta be on
rock and
top
less
of that
tree.
one. Sorry, Devin. There's.
Good. I don't taste good, I understand.
Everyone's up onto the rock.
The shit is strong here.
What?
I said the shit is strong.
Climbing bouldering thing. So once your arm into like the craft, and there's a grip around that corner. You reach over, grab your knees and stack.
I can stand up for that.
Okay. No, we're gonna move over to the back. Get over it, no way. Start making our way up top. Mark
I don't know yet. It depends on. I'll have to go see it for myself. Good stuff. All right, I'll end the clip. Protect the wire harp.
Nice. Okay, so now we're going up that way. So one at a time, everyone help each other. Don't like, make sure like the rocks are, if something feels like it's gonna get loose, I'll tell you. And then you just get out of the way and take cover. You don't need a bowling ball, everyone.
I heard of that.
Not a stick. This is just a stick. I mean, now this rock moves a little bit too. Be careful with that. Make sure it's stable. But that rock moves a lot right here.
So probably come up this way then.
Yeah. We're gonna try to get on top of this rock right here.
Here, Devin, can you film Nathan?
Yeah.
It's on. Pedestrians. 4 o'clock?
You mean civilians?
No, 3 o'clock now.
Civilians, yes.
Yeah. Can you hold this?
I don't know if I'm able to climb up.
Oh, I'm gonna climb up, and then you can pass it to me from the bottom, and then you can climb up. I just don't want to climb with it because
I'm up. I'm
I
with
don't need to
Riley
wedge
actually
myself.
right now.
Sweet. All right, I hand this to you now.
I know.
ah wait no don't throw that.
Get out of my way. Reach up, grab the rock over the rock. It gives a full grip, like that, like a wall.
Oh, okay, see it.
And then you can just push yourself up. Yep, just like that. Nice, nice. Grip, perfect. Yeah, it's good to be there for bags.
Yeah.
Yep, just like that, Max. Push up, use the tree for back support.
Yep.
Grip there. Awesome. Very good. Nice. Nice.
All right.
All right. If you need any help, just say the word, and I can grab your hand or something.
You got it, bud. Yep. And then reach around, you can grab onto that like a flat hold, like a wall. Okay. Yep, use that. Push yourself up.
Using an unorthodox method, the backwoods method. Seems to be working though.
Yep.
Stop, I'm gonna lift this up and then you go right under.
Beautiful. This is where we're at. Nice job, guys. Awesome. There's like a little farm over that way.
Right here. Oh, nice.
Cool.
Yeah.
Is this that picture?
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, we made it. Let's go out a little bit.
This tree is healing.
I'm surprised they don't have this part roped off.
Oh, it's totally stable.
Yeah, they'd have it roped off if they was like not. I mean, I'm still surprised for liability they haven't roped it off, but like,
Woo! Worst case scenario, it falls and we do like a Tomb Raider style jump back onto mainland.
What is that?
What? I don't know. It's falling. Slow motion. Almost reach it. Make it. Oh, what a view I have right now.
dude, look at there's a hawk right there, flying.
Oh, look at that.
Nice way to start the morning. Sure is.
No, we wouldn't do that. I'm sorry, Max. Hey, Max, you remember
It's like, okay.
I remember that. I'll never forget that, Devin.
No, dude.
I think that's doable.
I think we're down there. That's actually the easiest way to do it.
Of the day.
You got this.
Oh. That's a lot more impact than you think it's gonna be. Like, I re-bruised my palm.
All right, so Nathan is contemplating this kind of a descent here. Nothing too sketch. It's pretty big, but I think on the camera I'm not sure how it looks, but there's quite a few holds. I think it's doable, especially if you know how to like hold yourself.
I would say it's still pretty sketchy. Yeah, I wouldn't want to fall on this, and I don't know how sturdy.
Yeah, we have to be one with reality.
Everybody gotta climb down. Well, like, if I had no open.
Wow.
Was the first mode in video mode?
We're ticking now, we're good.
This is where you need it, Evan, to tell you where to put your hands and feet. He's like, I know I can get down to that lip. This one's just really dusty. I don't trust it. Hi, Riley.
Did you swing your way around?
No, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be a baby and sit on this rock and then just
No shame. See, part of me wants to go down and try it, but I know that if I do, I'll be too tired.
You have to like commit 100% or you're not gonna come back. Because I don't think I'm gonna have the
coming back up would be like really hard.
coming back up actually might be easier.
Well,
Okay.
that's like where I'm at. Like going down doesn't look like.
This is a little cave here. This is kind of cool. I would recommend anyone who wants to come down, I think. But we should bring our stuff just in case so we don't have to come back up.
It's true. I will grab the stuff.
But yeah, if you want to come down, because it's not horrible. But I would recommend getting this part on camera, Devin, because this might be fun.
I will say, I think this is a lot easier for people who have completely functioning legs.
Yeah. It's so sketchy trying to grab things that you don't know is gonna be there. I'm like doing around with this like butt that's not. It feels like air. I'm like.
Nathan is like in this cave. I can't get it. Maybe here, Ben. I'm gonna toss you this GoPro. You wanna catch it?
Why not just hand it off? Actually, you know what? Just give it a little.
It's still filming still, but I don't know if you can see it.
Last time I said it was like low. It was low.
You're just in a little like one.
I don't even think you can see him.
The worst part is it's cold. Use my hand.
There he is.
We're just vlogging on the phone now because our GoPro died.
I don't want to rip these pants.
That's fair. Oh, that's.
What do you see?
Oh, I just like all the tree branches. They're scrambly.
That's true.
Except I don't ask him to do nothing. I just do it to myself. Hold the root for the human chain.
Oh my fuck. Mr. McIntyre has his balls completely neutered because he has no sense of fear in anything. I mean, there is a way.
Actually, you could climb.
Oh shit, you could. Oh man. Is it worth jumping? Really?
Yeah, over here, if you go down past that tree, then it's almost like it's a big staircase.
Okay, so we just have to come down and then up.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how long. Because I don't think Ben and Riley, Max would probably be so I'll make it
We want to jump from down there onto that rock.
that rock looks really sick.
But I still don't have the balls.
Just straight death drop. Oh my gosh. Nice.
You saw me trip on just getting up a stairs. It's not bad. Good stuff.
Yeah, that's fun.
Yep.
Yeah, I think that's how you're gonna have to come into all the fight scenes.
The biggest team is
We've been walking for a very long time.
We've been
Tell
walking.
them what happened, David.
I
Tell
thought
them
it was a loop, so I brought them on a loop. It wasn't a loop, and then Devin kicked me. And then he got elbowed in the face. And now we are.
Hit the road, Jack. Whoa, I was kidding.
But yeah, now we have a
It was like that.
59-minute walk to the other parking lot. Very fun. This is the outro. Thank you for watching our vlog. We're gonna be on the road for quite a while, walking, talking, and playing the lyre. So if you want us to make more musical songs like Hit the Road Track. Oh, you've been saying it's the lyre, Devin. My goodness. Okay. Well, we're gonna be walking for a while. But thank you for watching. And next week we've got some parkour content coming for you. So look forward to that. Peace.